Materials around us. Look around your room. You may find a bed, chair, table, cupboard, clothes, shoes, computer, and many more things. In kitchen, you may find utensils, gas stove, cylinder, jars to keep food items, raw food materials, water, milk, etc. In your class, you may find blackboard, chalk, tables, desks, chairs, fans, tube lights, cupboards, bags, books, pencils, rubber, etc. What do you understand from all these observations? It tells us that there are many kinds of materials in the world. Some of these are living, while some are non-living. All of these have different shapes, colors, and uses. These may be made of one or more than one kind of materials, such as steel, wood, plastic, cotton, paper, leather, etc. Several objects are made by a combination of many materials. For example, your pencil. It is made of wood. Its lead is a combination of clay and graphite. And paint all these three materials together makes it attractive. A knife is made of steel and wood. Try to add or think more examples if you can.